Rwanda for etimi aya onwa sembi abusua se sei omukọ Philippine China so we Ivory Coast abusua allege say military coup etimi take over e ho a onwa sem asensi within African continent no nipa wo trendy ye pa eye Rwanda for president Paul Kagame or trendy na die nti na or trendy je konya na me fans tem ni na nso mo Kama Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If today is your first time supporting our video, kindly give us a like, subscribe to our platform on YouTube, make sure to turn on the notification bell so there be any updates you get notified. Facebook is selling for Abdo. Now the reason why Paul Kagame and Rwanda is trending is because they are trying to protect their country, and you know they are not thinking of importing these rifles, these bombs, this kind of a trouble a true summon adadia they are not importing it from these Chinese, these Americans, these Russian companies, these from the Germanys and all the countries that I would say they are very powerful in producing guns and bombs and all kind of that. What they are doing is that the president, in collaboration with the people who have the idea of how to produce guns, who have idea how to produce bullets, how to produce bombs, they have come together to collaborate and then produce rifles for the country in terms of self-defense. And these are the footages and videos that came out from Rwanda, whereby the president visited this institution to inspect the new inventions that are in protection of the country's security. We get to share our opinion.
Take me back to California. I wanna go back to 2018. I wanna go back to when I was happy. So take me back to California, please. Take me back. Take me back to that time. One good friend was in my life. California seems so far away from me, from me, from me. Made my first album. It came out the same day as Kanye's. I made my best single. Came out.
This is from Rwanda, Paul Kagame. Now when you compare these to one countries and all kind of data, you could see say people are really moving forward and people are also moving backwards. Because people are still depending on their own country. They are still depending on these people. They are still depending on these people. So, okay, America will come to my aid. Russia will come to my aid. Let's all look into what Rwanda is doing currently. They are protecting themselves and they are preparing themselves in terms of any other ways. It means so you have to prepare yourself, and that is what they are doing. But some people and the country, they don't even think of how they are able to put things in place that they will be able to defend their country because you are joining NATO. We are allied with you can say Germany, Russia. They be count not Russia for 2 kind. It is there you are going to see say you suffer. So this is a trending news and it's really a good news for the people of Rwanda, the Rwandese, and then big congratulations to the president for this initiative because very massive one. And you'll be able to me doing far ahead to think of manufacturing their own rifles and all kind of protecting equipment. Hi Kama Studios. If this is your first time, click on the bell, subscribe, and put us on post notifications so that any update you're going to notified on your platform. As I said earlier, your favorite or the youngest content creator finally out.